Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is Home Fitness Fusion. My name is Becky. We're on day 9 of our challenge to get 6-pack abs for men home workout videos. How's everyone doing at home? And if you don't know what we're talking about, or you haven't seen it before, then check the link above and explain everything. Right now we need to get into a little warm up, so we're going to start doing our usual jumping jacks and jumping on the spot. Okay, now we're going to do our side to side twists. Loosen the shoulders and the chest muscle. Now we're going to do our squats. Our legs shoulder width apart, feet pointing outward, and just imagine you're sitting into your favourite chair. The same for 10 or 12 of these. Do a chest stretch and bring your arm up in front of you, with the other hand grab around the elbow and bring it across your chest, hold for a second, and then alternate with the shoulder and the muscles of the chest. From the ceiling or the sky and come back down and touch our toes or as close to our toes as possible. Hold for a second and then come back up and do it again. Feel an all over body stretch. Oh, so we're going to start our workout, so I'll see you inside. Give me a minute and we'll get ready. Okay guys, first on our list is going to be our crunches. So we're going to lie on our back with our knees bent, feet flat on the floor. Press your hands behind your head and lift your shoulders off the ground, engaging your core. Now remember to breathe out as you go up and breathe in as you're coming back down. Try and hold it for a second at the top before you come back down. Let's do this for about a minute. exciting. Well done. Now let's give ourselves a minute and then we'll get to exercise number 2, and that's going to be our plank. So we'll get into a press up position and keep your body in a straight line from head to toe. Hold this position for about a minute, and we will keep our glutes and our core tight. Okay, well done everyone. Now our next exercise is going to be our bicycle crunches. So we're going to lie flat on the floor and bring our legs up, and we're just going to bring them back and forth in alternate motion, bringing one leg to the other elbow and back and forth. Try and hold it for a second. For a minute. Alright guys, well done. That's a tough exercise and you do it right. Okay, we're on to exercise number 4. Exercise number 4 is going to be our leg raises. So once again, we're going to lie on the knees, legs straight, and bring them up together as close as the ceiling as possible. Hold for a second and then lower down slowly. Try not to touch the floor at all possible, but if you do, just give yourself a second and then pull them back up again. The same for a minute. Okay, well done guys, you all beautiful. Now, our next exercise is going to be our Russian thrusts. So, once again we're going to sit on the floor and keep our legs up off the floor, intertwine them, and just lean back slightly and use your weight for stability as maybe increase the intensity of this. Just twist your torso, but make sure each hand touches the floor as close to the floor possible. That's a key for doing good. Our next exercise is going to be our mountain. So we're going to be in a high plank position, and we're going to quickly bring one knee towards your chest and then switch. And then again, kind of running motion. You keep the core engaged and run as fast as you can. Aim for a mountain. Alright, well then guys, last exercise is going to be on the leg flyers. So we're doing okay, so we're going to lie flat on the ground. I'm going to bring both legs up slightly off the floor and get into a kind of like a fluttering motion. Just aim for a minute, keep your hands under your buttocks. And we'll do this and that will be our workout done. Let's go. Circular movements forward and back, just to help with the loosening the chest and any tension in the muscles. Now next up we're going to do a chest back. Bring your arm across your chest, hold the other arm around the other, and just hold it to the other side, just to help relieve any tension in your shoulders. Toes, to the ceiling and touch down as far as you can. Go for a second, and then come back. Then over the body slap to toes. And now we're going to do our side to side stretches. Just alternate between legs, do a few of these. Calf stretch. Just keep your one leg straight, keep working your heel, and just knee into it. So bend the arm and just off your legs, do a nice stretch in your calves. Feel the stretch in your obliques all the way up to your shoulder, and then alternate movement. after a workout done. Hope you're all good. Hope everyone's okay. My name is Declan. This is Home Fitness Fusion. Please like and subscribe to my channel. And we'll see you on day 10 of our workout. Looking forward to then. So bye for now. Look after yourselves. Thank you very, very much. And see you soon. All the best. Bye for now.